Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to the drawing CAD/CAM tutorial. Today I want to show you how to make the exercise 3 within the SolidWorks 3D model. If we see in here, we have a section hole here, and we call this the first section hole, and this is a second section hole. And in the first section hole here, we have a two circle here on the outside of the inside of this hole. And if we see here, there are outside of this hole, we have a circle within the dimension is 95 millimeter, and the inside of this hole is 85 millimeter. So in here we have the shell here, because the diameter of the outside is 95 millimeter and the inside is 85 millimeter. So we have a shell here within the thickness of the shell is 5 millimeter. So I'm gonna make the first whole section first. So we can go to SolidWorks and choose the front plane here. So I want to make the circle here, and we can give the dimension here, and we can define 95 millimeter. Okay. So if we see again on this sketch, the thickness of this section from this face until this face, the total length is 55 millimeter. So we can make this circle to be a 3 dimension, and the thickness of the length of this circle is 55 millimeter. So we can go to features, extrude boss, and we can define here 55 millimeter. So the 3D section of this hole has been created here. So after that, I want to make the shell, and the thickness of the shell is 5 millimeter. So we can go to the shell here and select this face, and this face is already chosen here, and we can define 5 millimeter here and activated the show preview, and the shell has been shown here. Okay, so the hole has been created here. After that, I want to make this hole, and if we see on this sketch, the face of this hole starting 11 millimeter inside up from this face. Okay, if you see again in this section, on the 3 section of this, we have this section within the tipping is 11 millimeter, and we can see the straight line here. The straight line here is a face of this hole. This is a straight line, and this line vertical within this section. So it's mean that the length from this face until this face is 11 millimeter. So we can calculate the total length of this secondary hole is the total length from this face until back face here minus 11 millimeter. So we have 88 millimeter minus 11 millimeter. So we have 77 millimeter, and there is a total length of the secondary section hole. So we can go to SolidWorks again and select this face, and we can go to reference geometry here and make new plane, and we can input here 10 millimeter here. But if we see here, the plane it doesn't not inside of this section, so we must move first this plane into this section. So we can choose the flip offside, and then the planes automatically moves into inside of this section. So we can choose OK. After that, we can go to this plane, and we can make the secondary hole here. within the dimension of the inside, the circle inside of this hole is 30 mm and the outside is 48 mm. So choose the circle here, and we can make the circle here, and we can define the first cycle is 30 mm and the second circle is 48 mm. Okay. After that, we can go to the features and choose the extrude boss here, and we can choose the direction here, reverse, to change the direction of this section, and choose the selected counter here and select this circle line to make this section to be as full solid here. After that, we can define here 88 mm minus 11 mm, and we have a 77 mm. After that, we can reverse here to change the direction of this section. After that, choose OK. After that, we can extrude cut here to make the hole here within the dimension is 30 mm. So we can go to extrude cut here, and then we can try again here. Choose the extrude boss here, and then choose this cut here and extrude cut, and select it the counter here and choose this hole. Okay. After that, we can see here there are hole has been created here, and we can hide this plane, and don't forget to make this corner inside of this hole and outside of this hole, and we see again on this sketch. If we see here, there are in the corner the back face of this section, and the inside of this section we have a fillet within the radius is 8 mm. So we can go to field here, and we can choose the symmetric here, and we can define 8 mm. So selected this corner inside of this hole and this corner. Wait a second, we can try again. 80 mm outside of this corner and outside of this hole and inside of this hole. So the fillet has been created here. You can see here. Okay. After that, I want to make this section. Here we have there are 3 sections here. If we see again, in this section we have there are 3 holes here within the type of this hole. Strike hole is M5 multiple 0.8, within the tip is 4.2 here. So we can make this, and within the tip, the tipping of this section is 11 mm. So we can go to SolidWorks and choose this face and sketch here. After that, we can see again here. Look, if you see on this sketch, the diameter of this half circle is R7. The R7, this is the dimension of the half circle here. But if we want to make this section using the half circle, there is a make us too difficult to make sketch here. So we get to easier us to make this sketch, we can make a fully circle here. It means that the R7 will be multiple 2 because we make a fully circle here. It means that R multiple 2, R7 multiple 2, and then the R will be 14 mm. Okay, so we can go to SolidWorks again, choose the circle here and make the circle here. We can define here 14mm, and don't forget to make relation from this point and this point, and make relation. We can try again here, this point and this point. We can make relation here vertical. Okay, after that we can go to circular scatter pattern here and input the totally circle and choose this circle. So the order of circle has been appeared here. Choose OK. After that, convert entities this line. Click OK. After that, we can go to trim entities to delete this line here. We can delete it. Be carefully to the if you delete this sketch on the bottom of the circle, also delete it. So after that, we can go to the features and extrude boss here. We can use the isometric here, and then we can move the direction of this section. We can choose the reverse, and we can define the length of this section is 11mm. Choose OK. So the 3 section here has been created, and then if we see again here, there are strike type here. Within the type is M5 multiple 0.8. So we can using this hole wizard, and we can use advanced hole. But first we can choose this face first, and then choose the advanced hole. Wait a moment. After that, on the near side menus, you can select it, the strike tab. After that, on the element specification, we can choose the unsymmetric, and the type I want to choose bottoming tab hole, and the sizing is M5 multiple 0.8, and the customing size I want to choose tab drill diameter with cosmetic thread, and the direction I just blind, and the diameter I just use to define because if we see again here, the tipping of this hole is 4.2mm. So we can input in here. We can define 4.2mm, and the end shape I choose the drill point, and the end of the section I choose here. I just select number 1 here. Click OK. After that, we can put the hole wizard on this position. Make sure the hole wizard you put on center point on this center point of this hole. Put here and OK. After that, you can see here the hole has been created here, but the cosmetic thread has not appear. We must activating the cosmetic thread shader first. So to activating the shaded cosmetic thread, we can go to option here, and then you can choose the document properties, and you can go to the tiling and activated a shaded cosmetic thread here. So we can see here again, you will see the strike tab has been appeared here. So the section has been already done. So after that, we can make the section. If we see again here, the diameter of this head section is 50mm here within the tab strike hole here, and there are any 1, 2, 3, 4 strike tab hole, and the first hole is the tightness is 3 millimeters within the diameter of this hole is 25 millimeter, and the second hole is 11 millimeter, and the third hole is 14 millimeter, and the fourth hole is the same with the second hole. The diameter of this hole is 11 millimeter, and then the distance from top surface of the section until the center point of the section is 110 millimeter. Okay, so we can go to SolidWorks again and try to make a new plan again. We can go to reference geometry again, just plan, and we can define 110 millimeter. Okay, after that we can see the new plan has been created here. We can sketch here. After that we can make circle here. Make sure the circle concentric with these sections. Okay, we can define here, and the dimension is for 50 millimeter. And then if we see again the total length, the section, the total length is 55 millimeter. So because we want to make this circle concentric or centering with the section, we must define here again. So choose the dimension here, and we can try again here, smart dimension, just this line. Wait a second, we can get here, smart dimension, and the distance is, because total length is 55 millimeter, so here we got 27.5 millimeter. Okay, we see again here the thickness of this hole. The thickness of this section head is 12 millimeter. So we can go to the picture again, just the extruded boss here. After that we can reverse here, and we can define 12 millimeter. Okay, so the section has been created here. After that I want to make the section, and the diameter of this section is 25 millimeter. So we can go to here, this space, and choose the sketch. After that we can choose the circle here. We want to make circle here, and we can define the circle is 25 millimeter. But if we see in here, this circle, it doesn't concentric with this circle. It doesn't centering with this circle. So with this circle, so we must centering first this circle with this circle within the circle, and we can select this line and select this line. We can make relation here and choose the concentric here. So the circle automatically concentric with this section. So okay, after that we can make this circle to be a 3 dimension, just the extruded boss here, and then we can choose the direction 1, and we can choose the up to neck. So the section automatically created into this face. We can hide this plane. Okay, after that I want to make tab hole here, and if we see again the shape of this tab hole like this, there are any 4 section tab hole here. So we can make the section here, After that, we can make the centering line here. Just the line again and make the shape of the tap hole. Okay, like this. After that, we can define the line of this tap hole. Smart dimension. We can define the thickness of this first hole. The thickness is 3 millimeters, and then the diameter of this first hole we can drag to right side, and we can define 25 millimeter, and the second hole is 11 millimeter, and the third hole is 14 millimeter. And the last strike hole is 11 millimeter. Okay. After that, we can go to features and choose the default cut here, and you will cut the mistake, and you can choose OK here, and then choose OK. So the strike tap hole has been created here until the inside of the surface. After that, I want to make the sections. If we see on sketch, the one offset of this section, and we have 102 millimeter, and the other side is 46 millimeter. And on this section, we also have two circles here. Within the dimension is 10 millimeter, and the distance from centering point of this circle is 7 millimeter. And you can see again here the total distance from the surface until the surface is 76 millimeter. Okay, we can make new plane here. We can choose right plane here, and we can choose reference geometry again and make new plane again. We can define 76 millimeter. Okay, so the new plane has been created here. We can sketch here, choose the rectangle, and then we can make the rectangle here, and we can define here 46 millimeter, and here 102 millimeter. Okay, if we see again here, here we have filled here. There are the fillet is 6 millimeter here, and then the distance of the surface until the surface is 161 millimeter, and we have a thickness of this section is 11 millimeter, I mean 12 millimeter. And then if we see again, the distance from this face until this face is 35 millimeter. So we can define here just the top section and the section. We can define 161 millimeter, and then here from here is 35 millimeter. And then we can make field here within the define is 6 millimeter, and we can choose the corner of this sketch. Choose OK. After that, we can go to the features and choose the extrude boss here, and then we can reverse the direction here, and then we can define 12 millimeter. Okay, So the first section has been created here. After that, if we see again here, we have this section, and the totally tightness from here until here is 25 millimeter, and the length of this from top until the bottom is, we can see again here, is 48 millimeter. Here, if you see here, 48 millimeter, with the distance from top here until here is 27 millimeters. So we can make sketch here, just the rectangle, and we can join here. We can define this is 25 millimeter, and the other side is 48 millimeter, and the distance from here until here is 27 millimeter. Choose OK. After that, we can go to features, extrude boss again, and then we can reverse here on this sketch plane. We can choose the surface or face here and choose this face, and then in the direction here we can choose up to neck. There are automatically the solid section has been created until this face. Choose OK. So the section has been created here. We can hide this plane here. After that, I want to make hole here within the hole here within the dimension is 10 millimeter, and the distance from the center point of this hole is 70 millimeter. So choose here and sketch here. We can make just one circle, and we can use the mirror entities to copy the circle, and then we can use the circle here. Make sure your circle put on the centering of this sketch, and we can define here, and we can define 10 millimeter. After that, we can use the mirror entities here and just select this line and choose this line, so the circle automatically mirroring into the bottom of this sketch. Okay, after that we can define again this point and this point, and the distance is 70 millimeters. We can go to the features and choose the extrude cut here, and we can choose the up to neck here. So okay, the hole has been created here. After that, I want to make this last section here, and we can see again here the distance from center point here until the top surface of the section is 62 millimeters, and we have the R here. We see again here there are any strike type hole with the type of the strike type hole is M10 multiple 1.5, and within the tipping of this hole is 4, and maybe we can change this tipping of this hole within the we can change to be 8 millimeter here. Okay, we can make the sections. We can choose the top line here. After that, we can make a new plan again. On the distance, we can define 62 millimeter. Okay. After that, we can make sketch here, and convert entities this section, which is okay. After that we can see again here, because in here we have a dimension 50 millimeter, so we can using this line, and we can make the entities using this circle, using this section. So we can go again to SolidWorks and choose this circle, and okay. So the circle has been automatically appear here. After that we can normal to here, and then we can make hole here. Make sure the center point of this point and this point is a center. We can use smart dimension again. Wait a second, we can try again. Choose the center line and the center point, center point, and we can make relation horizontal, and we can define here is 20 millimeter. Okay. After that we can make strike line here and connect it to this circle. Okay, we can make again here until here. Okay. Make sure the line has been created and the direction of this line is horizontal. So after that we can go to smart dimension again and choose this point and this point, and make distance 32 millimeters. Choose okay. After that we can trim this line and this line. Okay, we can go to features and then select the extruded boss here, and we can change the direction of this sketch and just up the neck. Okay, so the section has been created here. We can hide this plane, and I want to make this hole within the type of this hole is M10 multiple 1.5, and we can change this tipping width to be 8 millimeter. So we can going to hole wizard and choose advanced hole here. In the near side we can choose this type tab here, and we can choose the unsymmetric here, and the type is bottoming hole, and this is a M10 1.5. We can use the tab drill diameter cosmetic treat. We can choose again here, the dimension is 8 millimeter or maybe 10 millimeter, and then we can choose here again. Okay, after that we can tap again here and make relation again here. We can choose the hole here to make the hole until from this face until this face, and I want to make hole here until this face inside of this hole. So on here we can wait a second, we can choose here to be unsymmetric. Yes, on the type for the type of this hole, I choose the drill size here, and the size is 4 millimeter. We see again here 4 millimeter, and then on the direction I choose blind. This is 10 millimeter. Okay, and I choose here and here. So okay, after that we can put this hole to the centering of this section. Can try again. and try again here. You can just this strike tab and then unsymmetric M10 1.5. You can define 8mm. Okay, you can just here, and we can just hold here, and we can just unsymmetric. We can choose the 4.0 here, and I want to change blind to be up to selection here, and this surface I want to make top line here, activate it here, and okay. We can do it again here. Wait a second, we not yet choose this face. We can try again. We can just do strike tab, bottoming tab hole, and then M10 1.5. $8mm, and I activated this section, and choose the whole tab here, and we can choose the drill size. The size is 4.0, and on the direction I choose up to selection here. We can choose top line, okay. After that, we can put this hole into this section, here, and you can see here the hole has been created here. Okay, so you can see here this is a strike tab, and this is the hole. So this section already done. After that, you can go to front plane here. I want to make this section, the last section here. We can go to a front plane here, and we can make a relation again. We can try to here or here. We can sketch here, and then we can make a line here. Make sure the line is vertical with this point, and then we can extrude here. No, we can use the rib here, and we can choose number 2 here, and we can use the extrusion direction. We can reverse here until that we can just here up to neck, flip material side here. So we can choose here. Wait a second, we can try again. We can using we can make the new plan here. We can create this sketch. Okay. After that, we can make a new plan here. And we can move here 11mm and flip side here. and then OK. So on this plan we can make sketch here, and we can go to it. No, we don't want to select the contour here. So we can just this 10mm. So the section has been already created here. After that, we can hide this section, this plan, and we can make the field here. And we can select here 4mm here, choose OK. So the field has been created here, and here 4mm, also 4mm here, and field again here 4mm, and two millimeter on here. Okay, and on here you can try again. Here. Okay, so that's already done here. We can adjust the material here, and we can select it on metal, and we can use steel. Okay, and then we can give in the color to solid, and we can choose red here. Okay, we can change this color here, and you can adjust white here, this hole, and this hole. So the section of all of the section of this part already done, so you can see here. Okay, so that is a tutorial how to make a 3D exercise 3, and on the next of 3D exercise 4 I will find searching any sketch on Google, on YouTube, and I everyday also looking for any design, and I can make that design, and I will give you some or another tutorial to make 3D part on SolidWorks to improve our skill to be a drafter and good engineering. So that is what I can share to you. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.